Did you know a Russian count destroyed his own fortune to save his conscience? In 1861, Count Leonid sat in his grand estate, staring at the emancipation papers that would ruin him. Around him hung portraits of ancestors who built their wealth on the backs of serfs for centuries. He was about to become the last of his line. The new law freed his peasants, but demanded he pay them compensation he didn't have. Without their labor, his lands were worthless. With the payments, he'd be bankrupt. For weeks he watched his former serfs struggle, still owing him massive debts from years past. He could have demanded payment and saved his family's future. Instead, he walked to his study and gathered every debt record. One by one, he fed them to the flames. His tears fell on the burning papers as he watched his children's inheritance turn to ash. When morning came, he was no longer a count. But for the first time in his life, he was truly free.